we're back in Roblox, and this is the worst mod in Car Crushes you can ever think of, cause we are here for PvP, player versus player. You heard it correct, people. Right now there's just war here and there. Anyway, we are here with a couple of special people, I guess. Let's see. We got 3000k and who else? I can't remember. But it's alright, cause we are gonna destroy cars as much as we can. And seriously, this is war. See? There's a PvP sign on top of the vehicles, except for mine, cause I don't think. Oh my god! As you saw, someone just flung my vehicle so wildly. And the reason why it's lagging so much is because this is, I don't know how to say it. So the whole point of this is actually, right, to crush our cars and get money. That's the whole point, to be honest. So right now we've all turned on our PvP and all of us are like, okay, all of us are just like in war. Is it like, okay, we got Simon, we got Poop 3000k, we got Maroni, we got honestly not Tarusa, and user dude man bro, something like that. Don't know what thing really. Okay, so right now, since it's PvP, in normal mode of Car Crushes, you can't really crush the cars. But in this PvP, you can crush it. Trust me, it's true. See? That man just crushed my car. I like that. I like this vehicle. How did I get this? I don't remember. I'll guess. Let's see what I can do. Oh no, I can't do anything. But who cares? Because we're gonna fight till the lives. Fight for our lives. And also get more money. I mean, we're gonna do both. Because this is wreckage. Wreckage everywhere. Trust me, trust me, trust me. And you seriously do understand how to turn it on? Simple. You go to settings beside the dealer sheet. There's secondary title, chat color. And then chat color. And we got transfer. And we got PvP. This PvP allows you to enable it if you want to. See? So if I want PvP, I must click this extreme. This extreme, I'm not so sure what's happening. But I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. I only gone to enable. To be honest, I only gone to enable. So I really don't know what's gonna happen. Trust me. This is war. This is war. Real war. Oh my god! Bro. Simon. Bro. Okay, I'm skipping. Bye. Bro, that guy just crushed my car into pieces, but thank you. Thank you for your help. So anyway, if you really want to see how to like do stuff like PvP and get onto the roof of the facility, all you have to do is just subscribe to the channel and you get further details about my videos. Till next time, this is Eric Gamer. See you soon.